Class 12 Chapter 1 VVI Objective Question Electric and Fields. The minimum value of charge on any object cannot be less than 1.6 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19, 3.2 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19, 4.8 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19, 1C 1.6 गुने 10 के पावर 19. The electric field intensity at distances r and 2r from a long uniform charge strike wire are E1 or E2 respectively. The ratio of E1 and E2 will be 1/2, 2/1, 1/1, none of these. 2/1. At what angle do two electric field lines intersect each other? 90 डिग्री, 45, 30. Do not intersect. The quantum of electric charge in ESU is 4.78 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 10 प्लस 1.6 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19, 2.99 गुने 10 के पावर 9 माइनस 1.6 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19, 4.78 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19. Electric field is conservative, non-conservative, somewhere conservative, and somewhere none of conservative, none of these. Conservative. The special charge of an electric is 1.8 गुने 10 के पावर 11 या kg, 1.8 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19 C या kg, 1.9 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 19 C या kg, नन ऑफ. तो 1.8 गुने 10 के पावर 11 C kg. dV is the unit of charge, polarization, electric development, none. Electric development. The intensity of the electric field at any point on the surface of a charged conductor is 0, perpendicular to the surface, tangential to the surface, at 45 to the surface, perpendicular to the surface. 1 coulomb charge is equal to 2.99 गुने 10 के पावर 9 ESU, 9 गुने 10 के पावर 9 ESU, 8.85 गुने 10 के पावर माइनस 12 ESU, नन. 2.99 गुने 10 के पावर 9 ESU. An electric dipole is parallel x axis in the electric field. The force on it will be 0, normal to x axis, along axis, none of these. The unit of electric serve vertically x is Nm minus 1, Nm, Fm minus 1, Cv minus 1, none of these. Fm minus 1. The unit of electric field intensity is Nc, Nc minus 1, Nm, Cn minus 1, Nc minus 1. The dimensional formula of electric field intensity is mLT minus 2a minus 1, mLT minus 3a minus 1, mL2t minus 3a minus 2, mL2t2a2, mLt minus 2 a minus 1. Which of the following is a vector? Charge, capacity, electric field, intensity. None of these. Electric field, intensity. When a soap bubble is charged, its radius increased, decreases, remains the same, becomes 0, increases. The SI unit of an electric dipole is cm, cm square, c2m, cm. If sphere of bag conductor is given charge, then it is disturbed on surface and also inside the surface, only inside the surface. None of these. When a body is charged, its mass increases, decreases, remains same, may increases or decreases.